Hello again, class 2. This is day 8's writing lesson. I would like you first of all to change the meaning of each of these phrases so they make sense. Now, they make sense in that you can understand what they mean, but they're actually wrong. So let's take a look and see. For example, babies can feed themselves. It makes sense, but I know that babies can't feed themselves. So I've changed the sentence here. Instead of babies can feed themselves, babies can't feed themselves. This one here says toddlers should always go out on their own. Well, I don't think that's true. Most children need a pram or a buggy. Do you need a pram or a buggy usually to get around? And then this one here says teenagers can't have a job. Have a go at changing these just like I did so that they make sense and they are accurate. When you're ready to see the answers, press play, but pause the video while you have a go. So the first one, toddlers should always go out on their own. That's definitely not true. So maybe you'd have something like toddlers should never go out on their own. You could have toddlers shouldn't always go out on their own, but that sounds like maybe they should sometimes. If you have toddlers should never go out on their own, that makes it much clearer. Most children need a pram or a buggy. I changed that to most children can walk by themselves. Maybe you've got most children don't need a pram or a buggy. But I've tried to add in just a bit more information. And finally, teenagers can't have a job. Teenagers can get a job. And you could add even more, to earn money. Teenagers can get a job to earn money. So all of those sentences now, they make sense and they are true. Today we are going to have a look at how to turn notes into full sentences. So let's take a look at a video just to recap how we do that.
Who can you see? Polly. What is she doing? Picking up shells. Where is she? On the beach. Let's put that information together into a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea and includes a verb. Remember to start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Polly is picking up shells on the beach. This sentence tells us what Polly's doing and where she is doing it. Let's put some other words together to make sentences. What can you see? A turtle. What is it doing? Swimming. Where is it? Under the sea. A turtle is swimming under the sea. Who can you see? Divers. What are they doing? Swimming. Where are they doing it? Along the ocean floor. Divers are swimming along the ocean floor. Can you think of some sentences like this? What can you see?
A shark.
What is it doing?
It's swimming.
Where is it?
In the sea.
A shark is swimming in the sea. Put these words together to make the best sentence. In the sand. Sal is digging. Sal is digging in the sand. The words make sense in this order. You've been learning how to put words together to make sentences. Polly is picking up shells on the beach. Now have a go at saying and writing your own sentences.
Now we know how to write sentences. Hopefully that was just a bit of a reminder. And this person here, they've written some notes about babies. What I'd like for you to do is to turn them into proper sentences that make sense. And when we're doing our ideas, we can write just quick notes. That's absolutely fine. But when we're writing our information text for real, we can't just put in things like cry if want something or babies cry if want something. So let's have a look at how to turn the first one into a proper sentence. Instead of cry if want something, I changed it to babies cry if they want something. That makes sense, it's clearer for the children to read. And I even added a little bit more to explain why. Babies cry if they want something because they don't know how to talk. So I've turned the first set of notes into a sentence. I'll leave this up here, you can have a look. You might want to copy some of mine and then have a go at the next two. And if you've got time and if you've got space, you could write a few more facts about babies. You had some notes yesterday that might help you.